So this is a very special day. Kiki just got a special delivery in the mail. There's the box. Yep, there's the kitty. She's in the box. Kitty in a box, kitty in a box. And here's Kiki. Kiki, what's that? What did Daddy get you? What is that? What did Daddy get you?
You ready?
You ready? You ready? Yay! Which one? Which one? Which one are you gonna love? Oh no! How? Oh no! Where did they all go? Oh no! Oh no! Kiki, where'd all the ballies go? Where'd all the ballies go? Oh no! We got special delivery of tennis balls. Uh-oh! Which one? Which one should I love? Which one should I love? Which one? Which one? Which one?
Trying them all.
Which one? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Should I try another one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yum. Wow, that's a nice one, Kiki. Where are you going to bring it? Where are you going to bring it? Yummy. Oh, what's that? Oh, I see Kitty hiding behind there. Kitty. Oh, Kitty.
He's thinking about it too.
Kitty. Hi. Say hi to Sam. Okay. All right.